Choking. Now, choking is not a common cause of death, and it is treatable. People are most likely to choke when they're eating and where they are often in company. As victims are initially conscious and responsive, early intervention can save a life. Recognising that someone is choking, though, is the key to a successful outcome. As we said, choking usually occurs while the victim is eating or drinking, and people at increased risk of choking include those with reduced consciousness, people that are intoxicated by drugs or alcohol, some sort of neurological impairment with reduced swallowing and cough reflexes such as strokes or Parkinson's or dementia, or maybe even dental problems, and also older age. So if you do see someone choking, you've identified they're choking, you've asked them, then tell them to cough. Coughing can actually expel the object out. That's not working? Then you're going to lean them forward and using the heel of your hand, you're going to do up to 5 back slaps between their shoulder blades. Check in to see if the objects come out each time. If that hasn't worked, we're then going to go to up to 5 abdominal thrusts. If that hasn't worked, we're going to call the ambulance and we're going to keep on repeating until either it comes out or they drop to the floor unconscious, and that is when we begin CPR on them. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. And please don't forget to leave a comment below. It'd be nice to know what you guys are up to for Christmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, keep safe, keep well, guys.